Hi, my name is Kathy. I own a My Gym, and I looked into this kind of therapy for my stamina. I was kind of stuck in my weight and low energy, and I was a little afraid of the word hormone therapy. It has some stigma around it, but I'm so glad I did it. It's been a really great choice. So after I had my consultation, they kind of eased my concerns, answered all my questions, and Yannick was amazing, so informative and easy to get along with and super confident. So he kind of gave me the ease of mind, and it all went from there. About a month in, I could say I started feeling some results like increased energy. My nails are so much stronger and my hair is glowy and healthier, and overall mood. I also suffered from some anemia and lack of energy. So I would say within a month in, I really started feeling big progress. I would say go for it. You have nothing to lose. We only get one life, so why not live it feeling amazing, looking great, energetic? So call me so I get the referral. So my overall experience, I will continue doing this as long as I'm alive because I feel great, and the customer service, like I mentioned, is off the chain amazing, and I just feel wonderful. So I highly recommend it, and I'm gonna continue. They're stuck with me. You're stuck with me.